Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sumaiya Akhter Mohona. I was a student of HEXA'S Zindabazar and my batch number was HEXA'S 25323. I recently took the IELTS test and got an overall band score of 7. My individual scores are 7.5 in listening and 6.5 in reading, writing and speaking. Throughout my journey, I have received immense help from HEXA'S Zindabazar, especially from my instructors, Humayun sir and Jumun sir. Their supportive attitude always made me feel comfortable to ask them any question without hesitation. I'm truly grateful to them. Besides this, I think the partial test system prepared me thoroughly for my IELTS test, which is very similar to mock test, and it's completely free. The mock tests are very standard, and their feedbacks were very effective. So I want to thank HEXA'S Zindabazar.